Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lexus ES350 2010. Try to work on this vehicle. This is an accidented car, and I'll try to start it. It doesn't start. Each time we want to start it, it doesn't start. And I've checked the whole fuse, the one under here, under the dash, forward, and pretty much all the ones in the engine room. And the fan is running down steady. And this socket, the ignition wire that is supposed to be here is not here, and the out wire here is here. So I try to bypass the whole wires that are supposed to be ignition here to start the vehicle, but after bypassing those wires, this wire, I put it direct light from the battery terminal, but it was no success. So that got me to this place. This socket is out. It's connected to the out at the under the vehicle, and it's supposed to connect here to the arts, but as you can see, it's not connected. So I try to connect it. Let me connect it and show you guys what happened. And now I've connected it. It's not connected, and now that fan that is always on is now off. See, ignition is not on, fully on. So guys, let's try to start this car. Then it's a success. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like and it's helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you.